Dell Alienware M16 R1 is a high-performance gaming laptop that comes with impressive hardware and features. Here are some key aspects to consider. M16 R1 features a sleek and premium design with a thin bezel display. It offers a 16-inch QHD plus 2560 by 1600 resolution display, providing sharp visuals and vibrant colors. This laptop is powered by an Intel 13th Gen Core i9 processor, which offers excellent performance for both gaming and productivity tasks. It supports up to 64 GB of DDR5 4800 RAM and offers various storage options, including SSDs. Alienware M16 R1 comes with powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 16 GB DDR6 graphic card. This GPU provides excellent gaming performance and supports ray tracing technology. It is equipped with Alienware Cryo-Tech cooling technology to ensure efficient heat dissipation during intense gaming sessions, helping to maintain optimal performance. M16 R1 is relatively lightweight and portable, making it suitable for gaming on the go. It also offers good battery life, keeping you entertained without the need for frequent charging. It includes a range of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, HDMI, Ethernet, and an SD card reader. This allows you to connect various peripherals and external display. The laptop uses the Alienware's Command Center software, which allows you to customize and control various settings, including lighting effects, performance profiles, and more. Considering this specification, the Dell Alienware M16 R1 appears to be a powerful and premium gaming laptop. However, it's always recommended to read in-depth review and user experience to get a comprehensive understanding of its performance and reliability.